What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a reverse roll and then also how to air peel. I've seen you guys doing I see videos and people doing stuff where they're like holding it out here and then they're doing this number and then they throw the liner and then they spray it and then they put it on. It's okay. It's like very entry-level shit on how to do that. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips and tricks. I did have another video talking about film handlers and how to cut out of the box. I mean, how to not cut out of the box, get a film handler, and how to properly measure windows. That way you're not having so much waste and other stuff. So check out that video if you're interested in it. But this video, I'm gonna go over how to do a reverse roll, how to do it properly, and also how to air peel windows as well if they're not so big for a reverse roll. So I've already measured my windows. I got 2 windows in here right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And I have it rolled, and the way I have it rolled is that you wanna have the liner side on the inside. So when the roll is rolled, this is the film side and this is the exposed side. Okay, so that's how you wanna roll it up with the liner side in. That's how you do a reverse roll. So once I get it here just like this, what I'll do is I'll torpedo it out a little bit and I'll go ahead and twist. And the idea here is that you want to get this tight, 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 tight. So it'd be right around there, and I can go ahead and push it back in. Just be careful when you're pushing it in, don't crimp the film. Okay, from here, you want to unroll it just a little bit. I'd probably say about 6 inches, and that's going to be enough that if it was wet, it could wrap around the whole thing again. So go ahead and take a sprayer, and just going to go ahead and spray the liner side. And then you're going to go ahead and roll it back up. Okay, it might get loose as you do that, so you can tighten it back up again. But basically right there, now you've kind of held that film here. Okay, now from here, the liner side is on this side, so we're just gonna go ahead and peel it in the corner. Right there, you see? See how the liner's right there? So what I like to do is I'll go ahead and peel it and get it a little tighter. And then what I do is I hold it down back on the roll, and then I peel the film off like this. Okay, and make sure you tighten it up so the liner is here. Now from here, you can go ahead and unroll a little bit until the liner is catching on the back side right there. Now this is all exposed film here. Get about 6-7 inches or whatever, just about right there. And what ends up happening, this is all adhesive side, and now the liner is on the back side right here, right? And that's why we wet it 6 inches or so. So now the water can hold the liner against the film, okay? Now from here, you go ahead and wet your film, wet your glass, and then from here, as you're coming around, you can grab it, and you're grabbing the liner and the film, and you can go from here, and you can just do a straight drop roll right there. Does it drop good all the time? On the bigger, longer windows, yes. On the smaller windows, not so much all the time. And it also just depends on how you pulled the film off the film handler. Sometimes you're not going up and down. Sometimes you're going left and right. So if that's the case, you can just go ahead and unroll now just like this, and you're good to go. And then once you lay the film on the, window, let's just say it's right here. Obviously this isn't a window. We lay our film where we want it, and then from here you can go ahead and pull the liner that's now facing you. Okay. So that's the reverse roll. Super easy. Obviously I didn't have a window to put it on, but I'm kind of crunched in here and things of that nature. So if you guys are gonna do something like an air peel, so this is a same film, same size, same everything. So let's just say we're out this far here, yes? Find out which side is the liner side. So that's the outside. What I would do on an air peel, I would just hold it just like this. I will fold it the long way, not the short way, right? So if you're looking at this, this is 34 inches long and then 27 across. So the long way, you want to fold it on the long way. Don't fold it the other way because it's going to make it harder. And these are good for like residential double hung windows if you want to do it like this. This film is a good sturdy film. This is a PureView 35. So it's a sturdier film. This doesn't work all the time with maybe a thinner film, like a silver film. Silver films are usually a little bit thinner than the dual reflectives. So it may not have the girth to it. But basically what I would do, peel a corner, hold on to the corner, and as I'm peeling, you see how it wraps around? Wrap it around, boom, and just pull straight down. Boom, just like that. And then from here, go ahead and wet one side, wet the other side. Grab your film now, open it up, and now you're ready to lay it or turn it and lay it as well. This whole number is really hard. Sometimes you guys don't have the arm length or the reach, and it just becomes cumbersome. Like, did you see how easy it was to do that? So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on that because I've seen a lot of people getting into flat glass and starting to do flat glass, but like I see a lot of people just doing so many, I wouldn't say mistakes, but just things that make the job a lot harder than they really need to be. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.